Everybody, Welton Hong over here. Do you know exactly where your ads are showing up? If not, you could be potentially wasting money or worse, damaging your brand. So for years, like marketers, advertisers like us have struggled with managing ad placement efficiently across multiple campaigns, right? You had to manually, right, in the past, you had to manually exclude websites one by one or deal with inconsistent settings, right? It used to be, hey, I don't want my client's website to uh, ad to show on this website. If we're doing a display ad, we have to manually exclude one by one. Finally, Microsoft Ads, or AKA Bing Ads, right? Microsoft Bing just changed that. They rolled out a more powerful new website exclusion tool for both search ads and audience ads. This means you can now control where your ads appear and where they don't with just a few clicks, right? So, so this is basically right what's new. You can centrally manage website exclusions across your entire account, apply exclusions in bulk to multiple campaigns at once, right, and one by one. So you can scale effortlessly, right, at that level, right, and again, one at a time. So, like, what does this matter to you, right? So first of all, right? That's a big deal because it gives you more control, saves time, and help protect your brand, right? Especially in today's privacy-focused and brand safety conscious world, you can't afford to have your ads show up in wrong places, right? This update streamline your ability to keep ads of low quality, irrelevant sites, right? So that way your ads are not showing up in totally irrelevant websites. So my thought is Microsoft Ads, Bing Ads as the first one to roll out. Hopefully, Google Ads now will be keeping up and following suit. Typically the other way around, right? Microsoft Ads, Bing Ads is kind of the copycat of Google. And now, finally, Microsoft is one step ahead in right making sure these ads are dialed in, so there's more confidence in Bing ads, more advertisers are jumping in. Um, so hopefully Google now sees, hey, this is very critical, and now it's going to jump and add this in. This shouldn't be hard for Google to add in. It just all along they made it very difficult because they just want your ads to be shown everywhere if you're doing display ads, right? Those are banner ads. But that's not necessarily good. What if it's in a totally wrong placement? That's right. That's a right totally wrong place. If a hospice, funeral home, some of the ads shouldn't be on some of these other sites. For example, gaming sites, for example, right? Um, so hopefully this is something, again, Microsoft just rolled this out for those of our clients that's using Bing ads, Microsoft ads. Of course, we'll be on top of it. Um, and then Google should follow suit. When it follows suit, I'll let you guys know. But also talking about Bing ads, when does it make sense to also do Bing ads? My thought is still Google first, Google ads, because Google has still most of the traffic. Um, right. And again, Google and Bing, they function more or less the same as targeting those who are mindful. They're looking for your services, right? Their problem where that's why they go on Google or Bing and type in home care near me, for example. But still, I will say hands down, focus on Google first. Once you exhausted Google, because there's only so many people in a day that's searching on Google, then that's when you invest on the next problem where avenue channel, which is going to be Bing. So those two, once you conquer those, then it makes sense to start doing more display, more branding type of play. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.